Hello everyone, welcome back to the design of machine element tutorial. We are almost at the end of the second unit from the design. Today we'll see some more problems on the design of shaft and the design of key. So let us get started. I'll read out the problem. A solid circular shaft is subjected to a bending moment of 3000 Newton meter. Okay, and torque of 10,000 Newton meter. The shaft is made up of 45C8 steel having ultimate tensile stress of 700 megapascal and an ultimate shear stress of 500 megapascal. Assuming a factor of safety as 6, determine the diameter of the shaft. Okay. Now, as per the problem, what they have mentioned is the shaft is subjected to the bending moment as well as the torque. It is the case of the combined loading. Okay. Along with that, they have mentioned you that it is subjected to ultimate tensile stress, that is sigma T equal to 700 and ultimate shear stress as 500 megapascal. And remember one thing, whenever you go for solving the problem, we have to always take the allowable stresses, not the ultimate. So for that, they have given the factor of safety, means you have to divide those stresses by factor of safety. We'll see it, okay? This is the given data I have written. M, that is moment, as given as 3000 or 3 into 10 raised to 6 Newton mm. Torque is given. Sigma Tu, that is ultimate tensile stress, is 700 MPa. Tau U, that is ultimate shear stress, as 500 Newton per mm square. Okay. Yes. Now we have to convert those stresses into the allowable stresses. So what do we have to do? We have to divide it by factor of safety. That is 700 divided by 6. That will be 116.7 Newton per mm square will be your allowable tensile stress. Next, similarly for the shear stress also we have to find out the allowable shear stress. Okay, so divide ultimate tensile stress, that is the 500 divided by 6, that is the factor of safety. So we'll get 83.3 Newton per mm square. That will be the allowable stress we have to use for the design of the shaft. Okay, let D be the diameter in mm. So at the end of the problem we have to calculate the diameter. Okay, now before that, this is the case of the combined loading, that is moment as well as the torque, correct? So you have to find out the equivalent twisting moment in the torque. So for this, formula is given as T equivalent equal to square root of m square plus t square. So both the values of m as well as t already mentioned in the problem. Okay, so substitute the value and get the value of t equivalent, that is 10.44 into 10 raised to 6 Newton mm. We'll move to the next. Okay, now next what we have to find out? I have to find out value of the diameter. So use the formula T equal to pi by 16 into tau into d cube. Okay, this is the formula we have to use to calculate the diameter, and here you have to take T equivalent, which is we already calculated. Now tau, that is shear stress, we already known. So d we have to calculate in this problem. Okay, so substitute all the values. Okay, on substitution what we'll get? Okay, this is what the substitution is. Okay, just I'll transfer the 16 to this side and tau and pi to this side. So at the end you will get the diameter of the shaft is equals to 86 mm. Okay, I hope this problem is clear. You can go once again if you have any doubt, or you can comment on the video. I will get back to it. Okay, thank you.